Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm your host, John. Today's episode is all about something that can completely change your personal and professional life: English fluency and confident communication. To guide us through this topic, we have a very special guest, English fluency trainer and communication coach, Emma. Emma, welcome to the show.
Thank you, John. I'm really happy to be here and excited to talk about how people can improve their fluency in simple, practical ways.
Emma, let's begin with the basics. In today's world, why does English fluency matter so much?
Well, fluency opens doors. It helps you get better job opportunities, speak confidently in interviews, communicate smoothly in the workplace, and build relationships. English isn't just a language now, it's a global tool. When you speak confidently, you automatically appear more capable and more professional.
Absolutely. Fluency really changes the way people see you. It gives you a strong presence. So many people study English for years, but still can't speak fluently. Why does this happen?
There are three big reasons. 1, fear of judgment. People worry they'll make mistakes. 2, no real speaking practice. They study grammar instead of speaking. 3, lack of environment. English isn't spoken much around them. Most learners understand English, but when it's time to speak, their mind freezes. Not because they don't know English, but because they don't practice speaking.
So true. I hear this from listeners all the time. Emma, can you share a simple routine that people can follow every day?
Of course. Here's a 10-minute daily fluency routine anyone can follow. 2 minutes. Think in English. Start your day by planning your tasks in English inside your mind. 3 minutes. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself about your day, your goals, or what you're doing. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is continuous English. 3 minutes. Listen and copy. Listen to a short English clip or podcast and copy the tone and style. This trains your mouth and brain. 2 minutes. Record yourself. Say a few lines and record your voice. You'll hear mistakes and fix them naturally.
That's such a doable routine. No excuses, no pressure, just small daily practice. Now let's talk about communication skills. Fluency is the language part, but communication needs something more, right?
Yes, exactly. Fluency is about the words. Communication is about the connection. To become a better communicator, speak slowly and clearly. Use simple vocabulary. Maintain a friendly tone. Listen more than you speak. Ask questions to keep conversations flowing. When people try too hard to speak fast or use big words, the message gets lost. Clear English is always more powerful.
I love that. Clear English, overcomplicated English, always. Can you share some quick conversation hacks our listeners can start using today?
Definitely. Here are 3 simple hacks. Hack 1. Use connectors. Words like so, actually, basically, and I think help sentences flow smoothly. Hack 2. Paraphrase. If you don't know a word, explain it using simple English instead of getting stuck. Hack 3. Smile and slow down. Even in audio, a smile changes your tone. Speaking slowly makes you sound more confident and more clear.
These are brilliant, simple, yet very effective. Emma, thank you so much for sharing such practical and powerful tips today. Before we end, do you have any final message for our listeners?
Yes. Don't chase perfect English. Chase consistent English. Small daily practice creates real fluency. Anyone can improve, no matter their age or background.
That's a beautiful message. Thank you, Emma, for joining us. And thank you, listeners, for tuning in to the English Flow podcast. If you found this episode helpful, follow the show, share it with a friend, and keep practicing. This is John, signing off. Stay confident, stay consistent, and keep improving your English. See you in the next episode.